Okay, so I'm gonna actually play evade because somebody didn't invite me. I'm not gonna say names, but they didn't invite me to their evade thing. I'm actually kind of mad, so I'm gonna join evade and make my own video because I'm not dumb. While we're joining evade, unlike some other people, I won't ask you to like and subscribe. But I do want you to watch the very end until this video ends. You can't leave until the video ends. Now we're gonna go. They have an event going on. I'm gonna check that out later. I'm gonna join. Okay. Oh my. What is this map, bro? Okay, bro. I'm just trying to look for some candies so I can actually get some stuff because I actually need to grind. I'm kind of broke.
To stop a gay Ben, take control and press the gay
What
Ben.
is this thing chasing me?
Gay Ben,
It would be
gay
really
Ben,
useful
stop a
if
gay
this thing
Ben,
got
take control and press the gay Ben. In addition, to stop a gay Ben,
I'm gonna start making weird sounds when something starts chasing me like this.
Killer fish.
You guys like that? You guys like
Killer
that?
fish from San Diego. I don't know what I am,
You can't
but I
help
taste really good.
themselves.
I'm a killer fish. Hello. I'll be your
To
killer
stop a gay
fish
Ben.
for the
Okay,
evening.
we got
Thank you.
this.
Killer fish. Killer fish from San Diego. I don't know what I am, but I taste really good. Killer
Gay
fish.
Ben.
Killer fish from San Diego. I don't know what I am, but I taste really good. I'm a killer fish. Hello. I'll be your killer fish for the evening. Thank you. Killer fish. Killer fish from San Diego. I don't know what I am, but I taste really good. I'm a killer fish. Hello. I'll be your killer fish for the evening.
I'm sorry for being quiet. I actually got kind of scared. Bro, no, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Bro, where's candies? I'm looking for candies. So, bro, I'm gonna drop this gun. My bad. Okay, I got him. I'm gone. How did I not die there? Oh my gosh, how did I not die there?
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. Where are your fingers?
We gotta keep going.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Hold up. I need to find some candies. I'm just gonna keep running.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. Where are your fingers?
I also lost my previous recording, so I have to restart this whole recording all over again. No, I could have got that
Vsauce,
candy.
Michael
But
here.
Super Mario in real life.
Spaghetti! At the 40 F.
Hard. What the actual Wi-Fi?
Another round, another victory for the OG. Watch me cook. Okay, I'm gonna talk into this because it gives me like a better microphone. Yeah, a better microphone. And you guys don't even know what I'm talking into. Oh wait, hold up. How am I even? Bro, I don't know where I'm going. I can't find any candies, but all I know is that some monster is on me. So I'm just running away. Because I know if I turn around, I'm going to find candy. Come on, run. I gotta run. Bro, there's no candy. Bro, I'm looking for some candy. I can't find some candy, so I'm about to go. Oh my god, it's a dead end. It's a dead end. It's over. Okay, guys, look out. Guys, I'm just gonna run over there. Hopefully, no, they didn't get ran over, bro. And I feel like it's still going for me. Bro. I'm just running at this point. Okay, let's go. I'm actually finding some candy. I'm actually doing. Oh my god, what's that? Bro, I wonder how much candy I just got. I feel like I got like at least like 5 or 10. Whoa, run. It's Rick and Morty from whatever. Okay, run. Bro. I'm just running, looking for some candy, bro. I don't even know where I'm going, actually. Bro, I need to find something because, like, let's go, candy. We got some candy. I forgot this is a dead end. This is probably a dead end. It's a dead end. Why would I do this to myself? Candy, bro. I couldn't turn because I saw another monster that way. I could have got more candy, but I saw it. I saw it with my stray eyes, but I could have died. Oh, how many? Oh my gosh, that's not that many seconds. Let's go. We won the round. Hold on, I gotta go eat. Wait, I shouldn't have said that.